3 cycles and your towels are still damp? Here's what your dryer is trying to tell you, that harmless-looking lint. It's actually a fire hazard hiding in plain sight, the leading cause of preventable home fires. All-Star Dryer vent cleaning turns this nightmare scenario into a non-issue while boosting your efficiency and your bank account. Certified professionals. Same-day response. Reno and Spark's most trusted name, all at your service today. Get your time back with lightning-fast drying and add years to your appliance's life. That's a new dryer you won't have to buy. Don't let disaster catch you off guard. 775-224-4136. All-Star Dryer Vent Cleaning. We're ready when you are.